Hi my dear students, today we are continuing exercise 17a. Now we can discuss question number 41 onwards. Question number 41. Calculate the angles x, y and z if x by 3 is equal to y by 4 is equal to z by 5. Given DCQ is equal to x. DCQ is equal to x. Since DCQ and BCP, these two are vertically opposite angles. So BCP will be x degree. This angle will be x degree. Since DCQ is equal to x, BCP will be x degree since these two are vertically opposite angles. Next, consider triangle BCP. Consider triangle BCP. This triangle we want to consider. So, exterior angle ABC. If you are considering this triangle, this will be the exterior angle. That is ABC will be the exterior angle. Exterior angle, this one. Exterior angle will be equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So, which are the two opposite interior angles? X and Y. So, we can write exterior angle ABC will be equal to x plus y. Exterior angle ABC is equal to x plus y. Let it be equation number 1. Then, consider triangle BCQ. Consider triangle DCQ. Next triangle, consider this DCQ. Same way, look at angle ADC. Exterior angle ADC. This will be the exterior angle. This will be the exterior angle of DCQ. Same way, exterior angle will be equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So, how can we write? Angle ADC will be equal to x plus z. Exterior angle ADC will be equal to x plus z. Let it be equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, exterior angle ABC plus exterior angle ADC is equal to y plus x plus z, which is equal to 2x plus y plus z in the RHS side. Then what will happen for the LHS? Look at exterior angle ABC plus exterior angle ADC. Look at the figure. Exterior angle ABC plus exterior angle ADC means these two are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Which is a cyclic quadrilateral? ABCD is the cyclic quadrilateral. No. So, sum of angles of a opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So, now we got 180 is equal to 2x plus y plus z. That is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So, we can write this B plus D. We can write it as 180 degree. That is angle ABC plus angle ADC. We can write it as 180 degree. So, the LHS it will be 180 degree. Then RHS will be 2x plus y plus z. Given x by 3 is equal to y by 4 is equal to z by 5. These three are equal means x by 3 we can write it as x by 3 is equal to z by 5. Also we can write x by 3 we can write it as x by 3 is equal to z by 5. Since x by 3 is equal to y by 4 is equal to z by 5 is given. So cross multiply. So 3y is equal to 4x. From there we will get the value of y is equal to 4x by 3. Also x by 3 is equal to y by 4 is equal to z by 5. So we can write x by 3 is equal to z by 5. Again cross multiply. So 3z is equal to 5x. So z is equal to 5x by 3. Why we are taking this x, y and z? We want to substitute this y and z in the equation 4. We got the equation equation number 4 as 180 is equal to 2x plus y plus z. So instead of y we can write in terms of x, and z also we can write in terms of x, so that we can add. So y is equal to 4x by 3 and z is equal to 5x by 3 we got. Substitute this y and z in equation number 4. Therefore equation number 4 we have is what? 180 is equal to 2x plus y plus z. So it will become, for equation number 4 will become 180 is equal to 2x plus y we can replace it as 4x by 3 and z we can replace it as 5x by 3. Taking LCM of these two terms, 4x by 3 plus 5x by 3, same denominator, so we can add the numerators. So 4x plus 5x is 9x divided by the same denominator 3. So 2x plus 9x by 3, LHS 180 itself. So 180 is equal to 2x plus 9x by 3 we can cancel, we will get it as 3x. So 2x plus 3x 5x, 180 is equal to 5x, so x is equal to 180 divided by 5, cancel, you will get it as 36 degree. X we got it as 36 degree, we have y is equal to 4x by 3, substitute the value of x. So 4 into 36 divided by 3, so 3 and 36 cancel, you will get it as 12. So 4 into 12 is equal to 48. 3 and 36 we can cancel, it will get as 12. Same way, z is equal to 5x by 3, which is equal to 5 into 36 by 3. Here also 3 and 36 we can cancel, it will be 12. So 5 into 12 which is equal to 60 degree. Next question number 42. In the given figure, AB is equal to AC is equal to CD and angle ADC is equal to 38 degree. Calculate angle ABC. Second one, angle BEC. Given AB is equal to AC is equal to CD. These sides are equal. Also given ADC is equal to 38 degree, that is ADC means we can write it as CDA also, that is angle D is equal to 38 degree. Join BE. Given AC is equal to CD, AC is equal to CD. Since these two sides are equal, angle opposite to that particular side will be equal. So we can write angle CDA is equal to angle CAD. Three sides are equal, so angle opposite to that particular sides will be equal. AC will be CDA, this angle. Since it is given as 38, so we are considering this one. So AC, opposite of that side is angle D, will be equal to, look at CD, opposite of that is this angle A, that is CAD. So we can write angle CDA is equal to angle CAD. Since CDA is given as 38 degree, so we can write angle DAC also as 38 degree. So this angle will be 38 degree. Since these two sides are equal, angle opposite to that particular side will be equal. Same way, AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC. So how can we write AB? Angle opposite to that side is ACB will be equal to angle ABC. These two angles will be equal since these two sides are equal. That is, if AB is equal to AC means angle opposite to AB is this angle C and angle opposite to this side AC is this angle B. So these two angles will be equal. Then consider the exterior angle ACB. Look at this exterior angle. If you are considering this triangle ABC, exterior angle of angle ABC will be this one. No, exterior angle will be this one. This will be the exterior angle. Exterior angle ACB is equal to angle DAC plus angle CAD, or we can write it as angle CDA. Once again, look at the figure. Exterior angle ACD will be equal to DAC plus angle CDA. That is, if you are considering triangle ABC, exterior angle will be ACD. If we are considering triangle ACD, exterior angle will be ACB. We are considering which angle? Which exterior angle? ACB. This angle we are considering. Why? Because opposite two interior angles is there in triangle ACD. So don't make it confused. We are taking exterior angle of triangle ACD. So this is the exterior angle of triangle ACD. Already we discussed the exterior angle of ABC is which one? ACD. This is the exterior angle. We are considering the exterior angle of ACD since these two interior angles are given. So exterior angle of ACB ACB is equal to, or we can write it as ACB itself. ACB is equal to what? DAC plus CDA. So 38 plus 38, which is equal to 76 degree. That is, angle ACB is equal to 76 degree. Angle ACB is 76 means we can directly write angle ABC also as 76 degree. Why? Because these two sides are equal. So its angle opposite to that particular sides will be equal. So that is, AB is equal to AC. From there we got angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Now we got ACB as 76 degree. So angle ABC is also 76 degree. That is the first part. Once again, consider this triangle. Second part I am discussing once again. Consider this triangle. So ACB will be the sum of 38 and 38. 38 plus 38 is equal to ACB. So ACB we will get it as 76 degree. So ACB is same as ABC. We have, so we can write ABC is equal to 76. That is the first part. Next we want to do the second part. For proving the second part, consider triangle ABC. We know sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Reason, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We have already proved ABC is equal to 76 degree and ACB also as 76 degree. So substitute that values. So we will get angle ABC plus 76 is equal to 180 degree. Angle ABC plus 152, that is 76 plus 76 is 152 degree is equal to 180. So angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 152, which is equal to 28 degree. Look at BAC. BAC lies in the segment BC. We want to prove BEC. What will be the measure of BEC? BEC we want to prove, that is, BEC also lies in the segment BC. Since we have BAC is equal to 28 degree, we can directly write angle BEC also as 28 degree, since these two lies in the same segment BC. That is, angle BEC is equal to 28 degree.